Di siya matultulan. Okay. Let's go to the universal set. If you say universal set, these are all the elements. Example, if you say numbers, all the numbers contain the universal set. If your set is about colors, all the colors are in the universal set. So, the notation or the symbol for universal set is U. So, U, what's the universal set? Set of whole numbers less than 10. Now, for example, muna siya ang universal set na ay part, diri part. That part is called subset. Again, subset. The subset is a part of the big set. There are two kinds of subsets. It could be a proper subset or an improper subset. Example, a proper subset is a subset that is not equal to the universal set. Example, our universal set is numbers 0 to 9. And I have here a small set. It is only containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Diba? Di siya pareha sa tibuok na set. So this one is called proper subset. But if I have another group and my group is still 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Di ba pareha silang duha? Ang universal set ug ang subset. So, we call this the improper subset. Example, here, P1, our main set is 0 to 9. Set P has elements 1 to 5. Di ba dili siya pareha sa universal set? So we call set P the proper subset. But for set Q, they are just the same. You look at this. Set Q is 0 to 9. Set U is 0 to 9. So they are the same. So we call it the improper subset. Now, what are some notes? Every set is a subset of itself. And an empty set is a subset of every set. Now, let's try to list the subsets. How do we do it? We start with, if you have two elements, you start with no element, one element, two elements. If you have three elements, you start with no element, one element, two elements, and three elements. Example. I'll check first kay basi og ang quiz ako mabuhat ng example. Okay, good. Somebody chatted. Oh, I'm sorry, Winfred, your signal is very weak. Yes, you could view the recorded video afterwards to review. Okay, so for example, let's start. How do you know how many subsets are there? It's 2 raised to the number of elements. Example, how many elements are there in set A? 2, right? So we say 2 to the power of 2. That means 2 times 2. It has 4 subsets. But if your set has 3 elements, that's 2 to the power of 3. It means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2, you have 8 subsets. Now, example, red, blue, yellow. We need to list all the possible subsets. There are 3 elements, so there are 8 subsets. Now, with 0 element, di ba null set? Kung 0, so null set. With 1 element, tag-isa lang sulod. Diba pwede siya red lang, blue lang, and yellow only. So red, blue, or yellow only. Next, we write 2 elements. It could be red and blue. Next pair. Red and yellow. Next pair. Blue and yellow. Ma'am, what if maglista na po ko blue and red? It's not possible. Why? Kaya ang si red o si blue, pareha na siya kay blue o kay red. So, dili pwede magbalik-balik. Di ba? Go back. They are equal sets. So, you could not do the other way around. With 3 elements. Red, blue, yellow. Now, let's have another example. But this time, let me use my pad. This is the last. Let me go back. Let me just end that one. This is the last topic. And after that, you need to do activity number 6. Submit them on Wednesday. But if you could submit it earlier, then no problem. I'm willing to receive assignments today. Now, example. Let's have another example. Okay, you could unmute your microphone. We have set A, and the set is composed of apple and orange. Sige, list all the possible subsets. Sige, no element. Diba? Null.
No elements, bases.
Very good.
No.
One element.
Races, apples, apple.
Apple. What's the other one?
Races. Orange, race.
Orange. Very good.
Was orange.
Next.
Was race.
2 elements.
Two. Race. Suppose apple and orange.
Okay, very good. Apple and orange. Diba? What's the formula again? 2. How many elements are there? There are 2. So, the power of 2. How many subsets?
2.
There are
4. 4. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So correct.
Oh.
Any questions? Or give me a thumbs up. Sige, next. Let's have another example. Set B. B has 5 and 15. How many subsets should be there? 2 to the power of 3. How many subsets?
5. 3.
Oh, so
8.
2 times 2 times 2. Sige, let's start. No element.
Races or null.
Or
Null
null.
set.
Very good. Next, 1 element.
5.
Brace
Races tapos
5.
5.
Next,
Race 10.
Brace 5 and 10.
10. Very good.
15. Races tapos 15.
Next,
By 2, Sky. Braces 5 and 10.
5 and 10. Very good.
Braces 5 and 15.
5 and 15. Very good. Next,
Braces 10 and 15.
10 and 15, yeah.
other answers? Wala na.
Braces 5, 10 and 15.
Okay, 3 now. 5, 10, and
10 and 15.
how many subsets should be there? There must be 8.
8.
8.
Let's count. 1, 2,
So,
3, 4,
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 and all. Questions? Give me a thumbs up if you're okay. Okay, thank you. Let me go back to what will you do for today. Now, again, you need to answer 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 6.
Activity
1.
1.
Answering activity to 6, you need to submit it in the assignment bin. Let me stop the record.